Nature is my source of inspiration. And that's why I want to share a bit of this atmosphere that creates inspiration for my art. So hopefully you can get inspired to go outside too, and perhaps find ideas for art, or just enjoy being in one with nature. There's something so peaceful and grounding when you're outside, surrounded by trees, by plants, by fungi, by other animals, and just being present. I'm just trying to be a bit more playful with my life, I would say, with my art, being in nature and just feeling the moss, the grass, the plants, and just being a bit more spontaneous in the way I approach life. At least I'm trying to let go a bit of being this perfect girl or whatever. I don't even know what, but yeah, just being, simply breathing, feeling, and seeing the beauty in plants, in life. And it really always inspires me to do art, to draw it, to play melodies inspired by this beautiful atmosphere our world holds.